Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Location. 5-bedroom Crosby Home on oversized corner lot across from Cuyuna Range Elementary School and close to the biking trail. Home offers open floor plan. Master suite includes private bathroom and walk-in closet, main floor laundry, 3 bathrooms total, central air, full basement with 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a family room, and attached, insulated 2-stall garage. This home needs TLC to bring it back to its full potential.